In this episode, we explore Restoration Island and David Glasheen and his story about living on the island. David wrote a book about his life and tells us a bit about his story.
A couple of years ago.
Has it sold well?
Yeah, about 15,000.
That's pretty good.
Out of print. There's a bit in Amazon, I think. Cool. I think. And it's and I started with it as an autobiography. I'm not really a public show. I'm a private guy, really. But the people come because I can't stop them. Well, I'm trying to use people to help me. Contacts and families and connections. I don't know where it's going to come from, but my Australian friends just don't get it. What I'm trying to do is, I think I'm sort of crazy, but now they've worked out I'm not.
Yeah.
After 30 fucking years. And they start to realise what I'm doing. Because I'm not dead and I'm healthy and I don't want to die. I've got things to do. I don't care about it. If I'm going to be dead, I'm going to be dead. But today is the first day of the rest of your life. And that's all you've got to focus on. Thinking about what happened last week. And anyway, and I live in an Aboriginal community, and they're in trouble.
Yeah.
And people are in trouble. And this island was called Restoration Island for a reason. So, it's all makes sense. And I'm a different person because of here, and I certainly think differently. And we can do something. I want to downsize my life physically. I don't need all this shit. On the water is where I want to be. And, it's all I'm just doing natural things, and then bit by bit, it's a healing thing. Well, people need it. And in a way, it's the last thing you want.
Do you grow like your own vegetables and stuff here?
Used to, but I have more people.
Yeah.
Now I'm going back to more high tech. I've got a little busy garden over there in the boat.
In the boat?
Well, I saw someone do it near Lockhart, where you get old kitty, which you're going to throw away.
Yeah.
You turn it upside down, drill holes in it, then you make it a high tech garden, the ground. And you can add water to it. It'd be like a hydroponic thing, but water's the problem here, and soil. If you need soil, if you're going to make it, big weed, and make your soil fucking hard and live.
We chat for a while about Dave's story and his life on the island. Dave lost most of his money in the late 80s stock market crash and then retired on an island where he had planned to open an eco-resort, and he has been living here since 1997. But feuds with his business partner had led this to not eventuate. If you like this little story, please subscribe and like, and stay tuned for more episodes about the Far North Queensland.